open the browser and search as Node.js download. Now select your operating systems, click to download, click to install and follow these steps. Now click to finish the installation. Now open Node.js application which we have successfully installed. Now set system environment variable. So search it, open it and do follow. Now open command prompt and write this command npm-version. It shows the current version which is 10.2.4 and it shows we have successfully installed Node.js. Now again open your browser and search as VS Code download. After downloading, follow these steps. Okay, we have successfully installed VS Code. Now it's time to install extensions. So our first extension is Live Server. Search here and click to install. Second extension is Prettier Code Formatter. Search it and install. And third one is Simple React Snippet. Click to install. Now search for fourth one which is React ES7 Redux GraphQL React Native. Click to install. Now create a new folder for your projects. For example, React projects. Set this folder in VS Code. After setting, go to View and open Terminal. Now write here a command npx create -react-app and your app name. For example, my-app. Press Y to proceed. Now it is going to install packages on your designated folder. It is successfully installed. Now write a command here, cd space your project name, my-app, and next command is npm space start to execute the project. Okay, loading app results in your browser. And here is your result. Now we will change the code, delete it, and write your own code. Control plus S to save. And here is your output. Write more code. Press Ctrl plus S to save the changes. And here is your output. So thanks a lot.